Hello, welcome back. How are you all? Sorry, I'm just drinking coffee. It's pretty cold outside, and I just wanted to enjoy this moment and have some coffee. I do drink a coffee a lot of time in whole day, but yeah, I just love it. So, what I was trying to do today, I was not able to go outside because it was pretty cold outside. Well, it's not snowing technically, but still it's freezing cold out. So, I decided to stay in home. I don't have work today. I finished my work actually quite early. So now I'm gonna make between lunch and dinner. So maybe you guys will like it. And I would like to show you. This is something that I really make. And by the way, I have not told you guys I'm a practicing vegan person. I'm not 100% vegan yet because I still eat some stuff, some sweets sometimes which contains milk product. But I'm trying to slowly reach to completely 100% vegan. So this is something I usually cook in home for dinner, for lunch sometime. You may or may not know it, it's called biryani. And usually it's made with chicken or lamb, or some people use a different kind of meat for this. But I usually make the vegan version of chicken biryani. So let me show you. So this is what I'm gonna use to make my dish. I have vegan yogurt. Then I'm gonna use 3 normal size onions, 2 tomatoes, chili. I have coriander here, and I have this is the vegan chicken, which tastes like meat, but it's actually not meat. Like tastes like chicken, but it's not really chicken. And I have 1 cup rice, and this is basmati rice that I'm gonna use. I use this size of cup, 1 cup of rice, because I'm gonna make for at least for 2 times, because I don't want to cook them tomorrow, so that I can have it for my lunch. Yes. And yeah, by the way, I have 2 avocados and cucumber, because as usual I'm not going to use the complete pack of vegan yogurt because that is too much. So I'm going to use like 2-3 spoon for my dish, for my biryani, and rest of it I'm going to use it to make a side salad, or not really salad, like a side yogurt, by using avocado and cucumber that I usually eat. It's pretty tasty, and I hope you guys gonna love it. Yes. And yes, by the way, wait a minute. You may have been wondering like why does it look so white and this looks a little bit weird, and why I have coriander here. The thing is, these all 3 were in refrigerator, in freezer actually. Usually I use my chili and my coriander. I chop them and I keep it in my freezer so that they can last longer and I can use them anytime. And same goes with the soya.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try again. Push the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah, try again. Can we pass the test this time? I can call you.
So the food is ready. I will start having my dinner. And you guys, please try this recipe. And if you really like it, please write it in comment box. And just let me know what are your thoughts about this recipe. Yeah. And one last thing, that avocado and cucumber yogurt mixture, kind of a salad that we made just now, for the dressing of it, like to add something on top, I usually use some pre-mixed spices that you can get in Indian store. I will write it in the comments, not in the comment section, I'm gonna write it in the description. And for sure I'm gonna write the complete recipe, so I will list the spices as well that I use, and also what else you can add on it, but it's totally up to you what you like to add. So yeah, so that's for all from my side now, and I hope you guys have fun, enjoy, stay safe during the time of COVID, and see you next time. Bye.